Hello everybody, welcome to Human Anatomy 239. My name is Dr. Denny A. Patel. Been a physical therapist for about 21 years and teaching at Santa Ana College for about 17 years now. Really excited to meet all of you. Unfortunately, it's not going to be on campus unless we're in the same lab. So just to clarify, I teach the Tuesday lab from 7 to 10, but I am the lecture instructor for all of you. You may have a different lab instructor, and that will show up when you log into your home page. So I made this little video to help you and guide you through what you need to do the first couple of days. So when you log in here, it'll basically introduce you to Human Anatomy 239, and then it will introduce you to the course info, some resources, module 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I want you to do, and if you look on the side here, you'll have the syllabus, the modules. So if you click on the syllabus here, you can see Meet Your Instructor. If you want a PDF version of the syllabus, it's right here. Here's the course description, basically the student learning objectives that we have, the student learning outcomes, what's the required textbook. Great news for you is that I've decided to use OpenStax this year or this semester, and that is basically if you click on this, you will have a free online textbook, so you don't have to purchase anything this year. I'm trying to save you guys some money this semester. You can download a PDF version, you can order a print copy. That will cost you some money, but you can view it online. All right, here's some important notes. But then when you do that, you can see the course summary, what's due at what time, which worksheets are due, when are the lecture quizzes. So it's pretty much all there for you. Make sure that you follow this. There will be no excuses. Say, hey, I didn't see the deadline, I don't know the deadline. All you have to do is come to the course syllabus and it is there for you. Okay, so after you take a look at that and you download the textbook, then go back to home and go on course info right here. And basically, it will introduce you and take you through the course syllabus, how to contact the instructor. Try to contact me via the Canvas. That's probably the best thing. What's our communication plan? Academic honesty policy, course etiquette. Now for lecture, this is very important. Every Thursday we meet on Zoom, okay? And this is the link for the lecture Zoom meeting. For labs, I'll go into that in just a bit, but this is for lecture. That means everybody will click on this and we will meet every Thursday at 7 p.m. It's called synchronous, meaning you must attend. Okay? Then what I want you to do is after you've gone through this, this will unlock. Now, the reason I have things that are locked, and the reason is to keep you organized. You see how this is grayed out? And this will stay grayed out until you complete the module. Otherwise, if I open everything all at once, people get a little overwhelmed. So it will only open once you've completed a certain module. Okay, so the first two, week 1 and week 2 is open so that you can take a look at it. All you have to do is read the week 1 introduction, and I've linked all the chapters for you to read right here. So you can just click on that and it will take you to the chapters to read. The first thing you need to do is discussion 1, which is student introduction. Basically introduce yourself, answer some of the questions that I've posted right here. That's worth 10 points. And then I want you to reply to some of your students. Usually in class you would be making friends and introducing yourselves, but we're going to have to do it online. So I want you to be interactive, still work as a team together. I have a practice anatomical organization quiz. But this one is very important. And this is August 7th is a student learning contract quiz. Basically, it goes over what are my expectations for you and the class. You must complete this in order for you to move on. So you must read this, and I'll go over the policies for lab. Now in lab, you will be divided into 2 groups, lab 1 and lab 2. Lab 1 will meet, while lab 2 will do assignments online, and then the following week, lab 2 will come on campus and lab 1 will do assignments online. So that way we keep social distancing. Lab will only be 12 students at a time, will be 6 feet apart. You must wear a mask. You must practice social distancing. We'll be asking basic screening questions, and unfortunately it won't be the same lab interaction, but at least you'll still be able to dissect. You'll still be able to see the models live, which is very important, and that is why we chose to do a live lab session. Now, if you're still uncomfortable with that, unfortunately, you did sign up for a class that is going to meet online, so you may want to talk to the dean if this is something that you are not comfortable with. Okay, and then here's a lab worksheet 1, and this will vary depending on the lab that you're in. So this is for Tuesday lab, but maybe a professor in Monday's lab or Wednesday's lab or Thursday's lab may have something slightly different. So make sure you pay attention to that and all the due dates. Okay, and then week 2, we have the cell, the introduction. So at least you know how to navigate in this. Remember, each module is broken up into the introduction, which will give you the objectives, the reading assignments, if there's any assignments due, if there's any quizzes due, watch for the dates, what we expect in lab, and then a summary of what you should have accomplished for that week. Okay, I have it so that you can't get too far ahead, otherwise you get a little overwhelmed. So you follow the dates here. So basically week 1 we're doing August 24th through August 30th. Week 2, August 31st to September 6th. So it keeps you systematic and keeps you organized. All right, so the first thing you want to do is just kind of orient yourself and check in with your lab instructor as far as when you meet on campus. Now, some of our labs meet before lecture. So if you have a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday lab, you must attend lab before attending lecture. So the first day of class for you will be whatever day your lab is. So Monday's lab meets on Monday. Tuesday's lab, you meet on Tuesday if you're part of group 1. Okay, and then the lab instructors will send you an email to clarify that. We're trying to do the best we can. I know this is not going to be a typical semester, but I will guarantee you that I will do the best that I can, and I will teach you everything that you need to know to be a successful healthcare professional, and we'll have fun in the meantime. So be flexible, be open. There are things that will go wrong throughout the semester, but we'll work through it. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. All right, looking forward to seeing all of you in lecture. And if you're in my Tuesday lab, I'll see you on campus on Tuesday. All labs meet in R201. Okay, thank you.